everybody looking at it. That's sweet, hey.
What we doing today, Marlboro man?
We're gonna work on this a little bit today.
Well, that ain't it, Bailey. Let's get you.
Traded the S10 for that, y'all. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna trade that son for a Mercedes. I had to look at it. This runs right here. It's ready for Krusty. Right now. Look at this. Look at that big monster V8. That's ready for you.
What is this, twin turbo?
It's a twin cold air intake. So look at them wheels, boy. The top drops in the trunk. Huh? I'm gonna put the top down. I'm gonna put the top down and turn the AC on and outrun Krusty.
So you traded your S10 for that?
Yeah, that's ready to suck Krusty up today.
Alright.
Tomorrow, last week.
You want to run them?
We should, but we got to work on this first. Yeah, I'm fibbing. Y'all know my baby right here. Don't let me get you. I wouldn't do that shit without you. Still have to give me 30 grand.
All right, y'all. We're gonna put some struts on this thing. This is gonna be a how-to video.
Some struts on the Mercedes. You ever worked on a Mercedes? Me neither. Guess we learning today. I like it. I like the way it sits.
Well, that's his problem. This thing's got hydraulic struts on it, and they known to leak, and they can't get it to raise up. They don't like it this low.
Ain't it when you fix them, they still leak still? Like, you always have problems out of them.
No, we taking them off and putting new.
No, I'm saying, like, if you fix them,
yeah, they eventually
on these cars, they just do it again.
They're problematic.
Yeah, so this is how you fix that problem when you get these Mercedes. Go ahead and take care of it so you don't have a problem.
Yeah. So we just gonna simply put struts on this thing.
We ain't simply doing shit. Don't say that word no more. Because that ain't... I don't know about this simply.
We go try to make some money. My boss man knows that I work on cars, and he's like, "Hey man, you do side work?" I was like, "Got my own stuff going on. I really don't work on other people's stuff. You know, I'm just explaining to them like."
Then he said a price. And he said, "Well, yeah, I can do your car."
Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty much how that worked out.
Damn, them heavy, bro. Okay. Alright, y'all. That's what you get. It just looks like it just bolts right in. You just bolt it in, stick it in, it's good. That ain't how this gonna work. So simply nothing. We ain't simply doing shit. Don't say that word no more.
How do you know? You worked on a Mercedes before?
No, but that back interior got to come out that trunk to even get to that bolt right there.
What'd you get us into?
Whatever you told me we had to do.
Do you know which one's the rear and which one's the front?
I'm quitting YouTube today. Today I quit YouTube.
Today's my last day.
Yeah. Yeah, we can't say nothing. The video went to hell last time. Our last video went in the swamp because can't say nothing. This thing got 2 ball joints in it, bro. What'd you do? What is that? Oh no, that's a ball joint. Damn, they stuck together like that.
Don't be saying damn and shit. We gotta take all that loose.
I know. That's what I'm looking at. Shit.
We gotta figure out. Let's take the wheel off and then figure out where
That's where I've been at.
We need to get a.
I've been trying to get the
jack stand. We gotta get a jack stand under this thing and then figure out what we gotta do. We almost there. All right, next step, take off the wheels. Ed's out here working on a Mercedes, y'all. Working on an expensive Mercedes, so he's bright. See? He's doing a good job. Am I bright? Yeah. You gotta be bright today. What we look for? Place to put a jack stand. That's right. Is this metal? That's plastic.
Yeah, it's plastic.
Everything's plastic.
Everything's plastic.
Holy shit.
Look at that broke stuff, y'all.
We didn't do that. Where the hell you put a jack stand?
Probably up here somewhere.
This is all plastic too.
Under that plastic. Damn, it's a whole belly. It goes back there. It's just plastic and it's under.
Who needs jack stands, really?
You gotta have it to hold the damn car up right there.
Jack stands just for safety reasons. Sometimes in a serious situation, you gotta override safety. This ain't shit in there. We got a plastic car. You can't even jack up a plastic car. That shit crazy.
Look at this man. He's bright today.
See right here, this is your hydraulic line. This your bleeder.
So what, are we gonna bleed the system?
I don't know. Look at all this stuff.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
That's great.
This is for the strut.
Hydraulic.
It's got hydraulics on it. Need some little wire wheels.
Put some switches on it to make it bounce. Show what we did right here. We got one in, y'all. Had more than half a day for one. But I'm gonna tell you what, if you get a Mercedes, you don't know what you're doing. You gonna figure it out.
What are we doing now?
We was putting it on, but we didn't take the nuts off of the damn strut.
Somebody left the nuts on the studs. These nuts on those studs. This is for that strut. See him right there?
Notice he said somebody and not a self. So the only somebody could be me. Because he didn't say I left him on there.
Well, somebody could have been me.
Well, who was it?
It's one of us
me
bodies.
or you. You always gotta take these off. Works out.
Yeah. Step number 3. Remove the bolts from your thingamabobber.
Alright, check this out. You show them that? You didn't even show them.
Look, this little, the hydraulic line.
Yeah,
right
they
there.
all know. Some people ain't never seen
Yeah.
this shit before. This is what you get when you get a Mercedes. I'm trying to show you. This screws into that. This is a
Quick disconnect.
quick disconnect.
So
You're supposed to be able to slide
Well, you
this
just
and pop
simply
it off.
Yeah, just simply pop it off.
But they get stuck. They all probably stuck.
You didn't simply pop it off.
No, it didn't simply pop off nothing. He ain't simply doing shit. Don't say that word no more. Everybody else telling you just simply do this, cause it ain't simple. Don't say that word no more. This thing don't pop off, okay? It does on some cars, maybe. This car, it don't. Once you get this off like it's supposed to pop off, you got little things that go in here. It plugs it off. Okay? That's where I was headed. Yeah. It's like little fittings. Like air tank fittings. You pop it off and pop that on. These don't pop like that. That's not gonna work, what we got.
Well, we got a strut on.
We got
One day.
One of the struts on.
On the strut one day.
Not one day, we're gonna get at least one more on.
You gotta work fast.
What are you talking about? When I sit on the ground, I can't get up no more. That's why I need you to roll me the tire and do everything.
You done got to that age, huh?
Yeah.
Y'all ran out of battery, so y'all wasn't here for a little bit. So welcome back. Welcome back to this how-to. It's very simple. You just simply pull the strut off. Just simply pull it off. Put it on about 6 times. Put those down.
No.
Come on.
No, hell no.
People update time. Update. Too tall. Gotta do it again.
I don't know about these Mercedes, but I see something different on this side. Remember, there's 2 right here, right?
On the other side.
Right. So the other one runs down and goes to this brake pad right here. On this side don't I have none of that. So I don't see it and it's not there.
Well, let's take this one off. Let's get this one done real quick like.
You shouldn't say that. I'm telling you every freaking time. You don't ever learn. All right, y'all. We got 2 struts on. We started on the back, and there's something else back there.
So we give up.
Next Saturday, join us again. We'll fix the Mercedes. This video sucks. We ain't got no footage. Batteries died. We ain't working.
Yeah, we ain't got time for you two. We falling off.
You falling off.
What you call it?
What you get here is half shot. It ain't falling off. You get whatever video you get. We did it without a lift, and we got 2 struts on our Mercedes.
Is that all you wanted to include in this program?
We gotta hurry up and get done so he could throw in on this turbo kit.
Yeah, get my turbo kit, y'all. I'm gonna get my turbo kit. He's in trouble. We trying to beat this small block.
You're already trying to beat this small block. He knows.
We going to.
He knows what he's building.
My turbo LS guys are out there.
Yeah.
They get ready to tell me.
Yeah, but you built.
You need a
small
7.8
block.
millimeter turbo.
You mad that you built the motor to beat you on the truck.
All right, y'all. It's getting delusional again.
I think that if you turbo
Delusional Marlboro man again. It's time to go.
You turbo your truck. I'm
Till next time.
Ain't
See.
that fair? That's fair.
See.
You turbo, I trans brake.
See.
You gonna lose. See you. I need to put that up my back window so you can read and weep it.
Read, weep it.